Introducing Runaway Hiccup, a new series where we react to your favorite moments from How to Train Your Dragon with a twist. In this alternate universe, Hiccup's hiccups are so powerful that they send him soaring through the air, far away from Berk. And so begins a wild adventure full of danger, excitement, and of course, more hiccups. Join us as we watch some of the most memorable scenes from the movies and see how they play out in this unique and hilarious Don't forget to subscribe for more reactions and updates on Runaway.